Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Addict. Today we're back to work on the van and we're going to be working on putting in our shore power. Okay, let's get started. So we are going, I can't hear you. So we are going to drill a hole through the back. We've already checked to make sure there's no gas tank. There's nothing over there. There's another hole in the van. Just checking it. See ya, it'll go right there. And then we plug it in from the wires from the inside. And that'll work. I'm going to file this down and paint it, and then we'll seal this on, and I'll go ahead and hook it up. Yep, and the lid. I'll hold this.
I got my hand on it too.
Will you be able to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
There it is up here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Okay.
Now let's see how the screw's going to work with it before we go further.
Okay. So tip we're going to tell you is that the bit was too big. The hole was too big. Good. Okay, but it still works. We're good. All right, everything's lined up. We're using 10-3 wire. It's a 20-foot wire. Right now we're not going to cut it, so we're just going to feed it through the hole. And then we'll cut it later when we figure out exactly how much we need. And then before we do everything, we're going to go ahead and hook the wires up to this. Dad's stripping the wires.
I got these things skint. This is a little bit longer, but it's I checked it. It's okay.
Okay.
And the reason I say it's okay because it's in there and you don't see the bare wires. So
Okay.
there's the green, the white, and the black.
All right, and we're going to just put them in there and bolt the little bolts down.
Okay, we'll get this in here. And it went way down in there.
Okay, good.
Now we got to tighten them up.
It's easier to put the wires in, you know, without having to do it in this hard part. And then we didn't want to cut the wire, so we're just feeding it through. Make sure the lid's on top. Lid's on top. And then that'll line up so we can screw it together. So I am going to take some rubbing alcohol, clean the area, and then we'll start sealing it up. We're going to use the flex glue. Okay. Waterproofing glue on, and then I'm just going to put this protective cover on it. There we go. All right, looks like we got this job completed. It actually went well. I would have went with a little bit smaller bit. I don't know how we ended up with too large of a bit, but it did work. We got it water sealed. I'm ready for the shore power. We're not going to cut the cord until we get the batteries and everything in here to decide how much cord we need. All right, just want to show you we got it finished. So anyway, you just lift it up, you plug in, and that is it. Easy on, easy off. That's good. All right, another job done. Woohoo! And it's so hot in here, so humid. I think we're going to call it a day. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure, and I'll let you know what our next step is on the van. Hope this helps somebody with your installation of the shore power. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.